Hey parents! We know how much you care about your child's growth and well-being. Today, let's dive into a topic that's super important for your little one's growth and development. Imuregen. This supplement could be the game changer you've been looking for. You might be wondering, what's the big deal about Imuregen? Why should I consider it for my child? Well, I've got 7 key benefits that'll make you sit up and take notice. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Number 1. Imuregen is great for kids starting from age 1 to 4, depending on where you live. This flexibility makes it accessible for many families. In Europe and the Philippines, you can start as early as age 1. This early start can give your child a head start in their developmental journey. In the US, it's generally recommended from age 4. This aligns with the dietary guidelines and ensures your child gets the nutrients they need. Most supplements are for kids older than 4, so this is a big advantage. Imuregen fills a crucial gap in the market. Number 2, Imuregen has safe and vital ingredients for your growing child. These ingredients are carefully selected to support overall health. It's packed with 5 complex dietary nucleotides like guanine, cytosine, thymine, and adenine, the building blocks of DNA. These are essential for cellular growth and repair. Think of it as the fundamental bricks that keep everything together. Just like how a house needs strong bricks, your child's body needs these nucleotides. Number 3, dietary nucleotides are so crucial that they're abundant in breast milk, which is the best food for babies. This shows how nature prioritizes these nutrients. God designed it this way for a reason. These nutrients are foundational for your child's early development. These nutrients are among the first your child receives after birth. They play a vital role in the initial stages of life. Number 4, breastfeeding is usually recommended for the first 6 months to a year. This period is critical for laying down the health foundation. This sets the foundation for a healthy start. A strong beginning can lead to a healthier future. Number 5, around the 6-month mark you start introducing adult food, and breastfeeding gradually declines. This transition is a significant milestone. Typically, breastfeeding stops by the end of the first year. This is when additional nutritional support becomes crucial. Number 6. So, here's the justification. When breastfeeding stops, dietary nucleotides from supplements like Imuregen become essential. They help fill the nutritional gap. When breastfeeding stops, dietary nucleotides from supplements like Imuregen become essential. They help fill the nutritional gap and support ongoing development. That's why starting at age 1 makes so much sense. Early supplementation can provide continuous support for your child's growth. And finally, number 7, dietary nucleotides are safe even in high amounts because they're food for the DNA in our cells. This makes them a reliable choice for long-term use. Research shows that a lack of nucleotides can lead to something called genomic instability. This can have long-term health implications. We definitely want to avoid that. Ensuring a steady supply of nucleotides can help maintain genomic stability. So there you have it. 7 compelling reasons why Imuregen is a must-have for your child's health and development. It's a small step that can make a big difference. Keep those little DNA building blocks strong and healthy with Imuregen. Your child's future self will thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on keeping your kids healthy and happy. See you next time. Stay tuned for more valuable insights.